Once again. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the power supply in the computer. First of all, we should have a screwdriver as our requirement. Second, we open the case using the screwdriver. This process, and we slide back the case to allow us to access the system unit. Second, we locate the power supply. For our case, it is located in this side. After we have located it, we disconnect all the connection that's connected to the power supply. We gently disconnect to ensure we do not damage the sensitive bugs. After we have disconnected them, we remove the screws. That's family attaching it to the system. We unscrew using the screw drive and we place our screws safely for easy reassembly. After we have safely removed the screws, we can now remove the power supply. For our case, we use the power supply unit. As you have seen, we can now put it back where it was located. We ensure we locate it to the right position. You can see. After we have positioned it, we connect the parts. Ensuring all parts are connected. After we have aligned the power supply, we close the screws using the screwdriver. We ensure we close it firmly to ensure the power supply is well fixed to its position.
Hi guys, this is Imelda and welcome to my YouTube channel. And now I'm going to show you how to remove the RAM of a system. Hi guys, so this is Imelda. Once again,
After we have closed,
we are removing
we are finishing it up. After we have closed the screws, we are done, and we can now close the case to ensure the system unit is well safe. And then we close the screws to secure the system unit. And we are done, guys. Thank you for the game.